Guys, it is January 17, 2024. This one here I got a call for a couple of leaks. One leak's on the heating system, I know that. So it's an older guy and I'm gonna go over there and find out what's leaking and fix it. I worked for these people before. Cartridges. Needs a new cartridge.
Turn it off.
Do you know how to shut it off?
Everything. I don't know.
Do you know how to shut the main water off?
Yeah.
Or do you want me to do it? Do you know how? Yeah. Gotta shut the main off. You know how to do it? Let me see. Does it shut off? Does it shut off?
No, it's open. Shut it off.
Right here. Right here. That shuts off. See it? That's off. That's off, and now I can work on it. Alright? Yeah, you don't want to play around with the bottom one. When you shut the water off, use this one.
Okay.
You can use that one, but that's harder. This is easy, okay? What I want to do is I want to open up a faucet down here to drain the water downstairs here. You got a faucet? You got a bathroom down? Yeah. This way I can work on it up there. I'm just going to open it here, drain the water out, so I can work upstairs. All right?
Okay.
Let's fix that. You got just the lights or the light and the fan? Yeah, shut that other one off. This way here I could, I'm not getting drowned out by what the hell's going on. Sometimes it's a loose washer. Sometimes it's a cartridge that's bad. We'll fix it. You don't miss working?
Oh, no.
You don't miss it. No. Plate's kind of worn out. Alright, let's see. Yeah, it's flipping cold out. It's not going to get above freezing for the next 4 or 5 days. It's going to be...
Yeah, that's freezing at night.
Cold.
19, 11.
So you know what that means. Flipping's gonna snow, right?
Yep.
If anything, it's gonna snow. It ain't gonna rain. Sometimes you have to use this, spin it back and forth to get it out. Let's see what happens when we get it out, what it looks like. Sometimes the washers are loose, but sometimes you're gonna change the cartridge. It's nothing's. Sometimes these are loose, but that's not the case. It's inside the cartridge that's bad. Nothing's loose here. We'll put a new one.
Yeah, that's a bit more bad.
So, put a new cylinder in there, and too bad because that one still works. I just had a flipping. I just had one of them. What do I do with it? Must have left it in the truck.
That's the house is 20 years old.
This gasket's still good. Gotta make sure it clicks. If it don't click, it's not gonna work. What'd you say?
The house is too old. That's 20 years old.
How old?
Yeah, this house. That's a house.
20?
21.
21.
Yeah. Another fix.
Yeah. That's gonna take care of the issue. The thing is, sometimes you gotta work this back and forth as you turn this in, because if not, it's gonna bind. Gasket was still good. We can reuse that gasket. Shouldn't be an issue. Your son don't live here no more.
No, you moved to Minnesota?
He moved out.
Yeah, I moved out.
This the pack a nut here for that stem. I should do it. This is a compression type of valve, so it's gonna be tight or it will leak. Put it back together. You want to go Shut the faucet off downstairs and then turn the water on.
Okay.
And like I said, this is a compression type of valve, so it's going to be tight, especially when you first put it in to set it. The gasket was still good in there. And I'll take care of that banging. It's in the cartridge. Gets loosey-goosey maybe. He's loosey-goosey, Mo. Yep. The frozen chosen.
Oh,
Flipping coal out. I'm doing my flipping that orange thing. I should have had it with this. I don't see it. So I lost it.
I think upstairs. You stay upstairs.
The orange thing?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to grab it?
Yeah.
No more banging. It's in a cartridge.